fashionista Ninang Sonia. We're so happy that you reached this age. 80th birthday is a big one. And we hope for many more happy, healthy years for you. And we will visit you again. And keep us in your dreams. And we love you so much. Take care of yourself. See you next year.
Happy birthday, Tito Sonia. 80 years is amazing. We miss you. We love you. And we're hoping to see you soon, maybe 2026. Otherwise, have a great time with the Tamela and Balubar family. And we'll see you soon.
Okay, Sonia, kumusta? Happy birthday at inabot mo yung 80 years. At least makarating ka pa ng marami pang birthday. Enjoy. Regards to everybody. Okay.
Hello, Sonia. Happy birthday, 80th birthday. And sana'y datnan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan. Masigla, masaya, malusog. At higit sa lahat, nakakatuwa na magkakaroon kayo ng family reunion dyan sa ika-80 kaarawan mo. Enjoy at always stay healthy. God bless at lagi namin kayong pagdarasal dito. Susunod na daw sina John at Saki kasi may ginagawa pa. Para matapos na nauna na ako. Kaya ingat kayo dyan. Enjoy your 80th birthday celebration. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Sonia! Wishing you a very fun birthday celebration and many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Sonia. Wishing you good health.
At maraming pera.
Happy 80th birthday, Sonia. 20 years na lang, makakatanggap ka ng 100,000 sa gobyerno at mabibreak mo yung kamunro. See you in the Philippines after 20 years on your 100th birthday.
Bye!
Okay, take 10. Happy birthday, Lola Sonia. Ate Sonia, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Full of food, full of life, full of tattoo. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday there in Philippines, not yet here in Canada.
Yan, Lola Sonia.
Okay, ma.
Happy birthday ulit, Sonia. And hope you have more birthdays to come. Stay healthy at saka laging masaya. Hindi mo pa pamukhang 80. Mukha ka lang 79. No, much younger than that. Kaya, ingat.
Okay, happy birthday ulit!
Happy 80th birthday, Sonia. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you always. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Sonia!
Happy birthday!
Happy 80th birthday!
Wishing you all the best, Sonia, and wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Enjoy your party!
Happy birthday, Auntie Sonia. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Buti ka pa, 18 na. Kami rito, minus 18. Sana mainit ang pagtanggap sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas. I'm sure masaya ka, kumpleto kayo. Nandiyan si Glenn, nandiyan si Dada, of course sila Sarah and Ging. So enjoy your party. Sana nandyan din kami, pero eto, sana matanggap mo yung aming malugod na pagbati.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sonia! Enjoy the party, enjoy yung mga apo ninyo, at saka kumpleto yung pamilya ninyo. We wish you good health lagi and always blessing from God. So, happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday! Merry Christmas everyone! Merry Christmas! Bye!
Happy birthday!
Happy 80th! Stay happy, stay healthy, and hopefully London can meet you soon! Enjoy your party!
Happy birthday, Tita Sonia. Wishing you a wonderful celebration, year, and many more to come. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Sonia. Bye.
Bye.